Hi, my name is Timerlan. I'm 19 years old and I'm a student of Nazarbayev University in computer science major. I would say that I have quite enough experience in food service because I have worked in several restaurants for a couple months in each. And in those places, I had to not only serve the customers, but also do the cash work, clean the furniture, load the goods, and purchase the provision. And the reason why I should be hired is the fact that I'm a hard worker, I'm really disciplined, and my philosophy is that I should always be prepared to any situation. I always should have a plan, and I try to act efficiently, be pragmatic. People say that I'm mindful, and most of them say that I'm really righteous. And if you were to ask me what places are worth to visit in my hometown, which is Almaty, I would recommend, first of all, to visit mountains because my city is famous for mountains. Second of all, it is really worth to visit skiing resort Chambalac. And the third valid choice to visit is Medeo, which is ice skating arena placed high in the mountains. And finally, the additional information that you should know about me is the fact that originally I'm from the countryside. And all my life I was surrounded by animals. Personally, I have two dogs, and me and my family used to breed turkeys, chicken, and other animals. And I have a favorite quote from the book The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry, which says that you become responsible forever for uh, what you have tamed. And this quote is really meaningful to me because it relates to my life. And animals taught me to be responsible. And this quote is not only about the animals, but its meaning is about the responsibility in general. So that's it